Now let's talk about the 5 things you should not do before singing, and the 5 things you should do to sing better. I'm Natalia Bliss, a singer, pianist, and vocal technique teacher.
Your heart, ooh. Canta conmigo.
Welcome to my channel of singing lessons from scratch. On this channel, I do giveaways, offer my singing courses for free, as well as microphones like this one. So make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel and have the notification bell turned on. Also, follow me on my Instagram, bliss_Natalia. That's where I announce my giveaways.
5.
Try not to eat 1 or 2 hours before singing. I'm not saying you should go hungry, but try to avoid heavy meals to prevent burping while singing. When we sing, we use diaphragmatic breathing, which involves physically moving our stomach. This can lead to the untimely release of gas during a song, which, let's say, is not very aesthetic.
La
Very
comida
spicy,
muy
very
picante,
hot,
muy
or
caliente,
very
muy
cold
fría.
food, as I
Igual que
don't
no
recommend,
recomiendo que
should
tomes
also be
algún
avoided,
lácteo
as
1
well
o
as
2
any
horas
dairy
antes de cantar,
products 1
porque
or
los
2 hours
productos
before
lácteos van a
singing.
hacer que
Dairy
produzcas
products
más
can
flema.
increase phlegm
Igual que
production,
no recomiendo
just
que
like
tomes
I
las
don't
bebidas
recommend carbonated
gaseosas
drinks
como
like
Coca-Cola o
Coca-Cola or
cerveza
beer
por
for
la
the
misma
same
razón
reason
de
of
los
burping.
eructos.
Instead, what you should do is have a light meal and drink water. Water is the best beverage for singing.
4.
You should not consume alcohol before singing. Yes, I know there are many myths about needing to have a little tequila, a bit of whiskey, or something to warm up your vocal cords. It's a big myth. They have nothing to do with vocal warm-up. It's just a sensation of a burning throat. And what's really happening is that alcohol is drying out all the mucous membranes of the vocal cords. And as a consequence, you'll only end up feeling more thirsty when it's time to sing, and it'll be harder to reach those high notes. What's the solution? It's water. Lack of confidence. If you doubt your abilities, if you have stage fright, if you're afraid of what people will say, or if they'll judge you, chances are you won't be able to showcase your voice. What's the solution? You have to accept that you're in the learning process, that there's no such thing as an ideal voice. Even the greatest artists sometimes made mistakes, missed a note, or even had a crack while performing. We're not machines. We're human beings. It's normal. It can happen. Don't judge yourself. What you need to do is practice the exercises.
No
Prepare,
estresarte
and no,
y no
don't
juzgarte
stress,
si algo
and don't
no ha
judge
salido
yourself
bien.
if something
Créeme,
doesn't
el
go
público
well.
te lo va a
Believe me,
perdonar si
the
vas a ser
audience will
sincero
forgive
con
you
ellos.
if you're honest with them. If you enjoy my channel and want to support me, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. This really helps my channel. Thank you.
Segundo,
You don't have to start singing your songs without warming up your voice beforehand. Vocal warm-up is crucial to care for your voice, to prepare your voice, and to warm up your voice before singing. When I start singing, I spend 15 to 20 minutes practicing vocalization exercises. You can find these exercises in my free playlist Best Vocal Warm-Up, which I've linked here. One of my favorite exercises that I always do is the lip drill. I also do exercises for the passaggio to transition from chest voice to head voice.
Hija, 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 hija.
Exercises to project my voice.
Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me.
Exercises for tuning. Exercises to sing high notes.
Sale el sol. Beauty is not for life. Beauty can't keep you high. You need someone to talk to. You need someone to talk to. Someone to keep you satisfied. Falling in love with beauty will only break your heart. Your heart. Your heart. Ooh.
So, follow my advice and write to me in the comments if they have helped you. I invite you to visit my website, nataliabliss.com, where you can find information about my singing courses and classes. My interactive singing course includes vocal technique explanations, and in each module, it includes the exercises you should practice daily. You can also contact me, send me your videos or audio privately to receive my advice. My video course is on Udemy, the online store for sound equipment that I use. And you will also find my free voice tuner. I've left the link in the description of this video.
Primero,
If the night before you've been partying or had a poor night's sleep, it's not the best day to sing. Your voice always reflects your physical state, and the best thing you can do for good singing is to rest and sleep well. That's why you may notice that there are days when you sing with ease and other days when everything feels challenging. So make sure to rest and sleep well. If you're a beginner and don't know where to start, I recommend checking out my free beginners playlist, which I've linked here. I hope you enjoyed my video. Keep practicing and improving your vocal technique. And as always, I wish you to enjoy the music and enjoy your voice. Kisses.